Wow. I can honestly say something, Dad. Yeah. You're full of surprises. Let me tell you, everybody, I used to work with Dad for many, many years, and I think Dad must have said to me maybe about 10,000 times, Rich, always face the wheelbarrow in the direction you're going before you fill it up with something.
That's right.
Then you don't have to lift it up when it's heavy and turn it around to go the right way.
Yeah.
Look.
It's early in the morning, and also I'm getting on a bit. I'm forgetting things.
I don't know, guys. What do you reckon? I'll turn it around for you, Dad. Don't worry.
Not a problem.
How about that?
What's it look like?
Well, like I said, I've literally just plonked it on there. It's not doing levels or anything like that. I just literally just went plonk.
Yeah, but it looks the part.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Well, that's fine. So it will need spinning around. This needs to come off of here anyway.
Yeah, no. Yeah.
Which I might as well do right now.
Yeah.
And then
take the masking tape off and then we'll see the full...
Yeah, well, we'll do that right at the end when the when it's had the... when we've finished, we can clean up everything and then just get a plonk.
Just looks the part. Yeah. Yeah. Tiny bed on there, not too much. Look at that. Yeah. Beautiful.
So
yeah.
If you want, I can bed this on, get it right, and I can stick some foam up the back here.
Yeah.
It'll dry within an hour or so, and then when you come up here, then I'll go and try and find those leaves. But the thing is with those leaves, they come out like this and not like that.
Yeah.
So what we could do is just put some screws in.
Let's do that.
Just put some screws in as you
I'd
go.
rather do that, mate. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you want to just lift this one up a minute?
Yeah.
Got a bit of muck underneath. Yeah.
Launching down that side or not?
Just need a little bit more muck on the other
side.
It
needs to come up that way.
Yeah. Not much. This is the other one.
That's kind of touching that now.
Right.
He's still on the move.
That's all right.
Okay. Do you want to come out this way a little bit? Or are you happy with that?
Yeah.
I'll leave you to it. I'll leave the pro to do his thing. Good morning, everybody. How are you all doing? As you can see, work has already started this morning. Dad didn't even want his cup of tea this morning. It's very, very unusual for a British builder. We made him one anyway, and he's drinking it, so I think he just wanted to get going. Lots and lots of bits and bobs today. I need to go to the déchetterie because we've backing up with rubbish. We need to talk to the other star. Hello.
Hello.
And who are you?
I'm Denise May and I'm your mother. In that order.
I like the fact that I'm pointing a camera in your face and you're telling me that you're my mother and not talking to the people on YouTube. Like, so instead of saying I'm his mother, I'm your mother. Are you my mother?
I'm his mother.
And what are you doing today, Mum?
What am I doing? I'm stripping ivy, which I've been doing ever since I arrived here.
Without gloves?
And I love the job.
Well, that's good, but you don't have gloves. Do you need gloves?
I've got gloves in there.
Huh?
But I thought I'd see which was the best way to start today.
With gloves.
Because
Shall I move this scaffolding so you're not kind of bent double?
I think that would be a help.
Yeah, okay.
Thank
right.
you.
Better put you guys down and do some work. No, you can stay exactly where you are. That's absolutely fine. Right then, madam, are you happy? Are you happy?
I am happy. Thank you very much.
Okay.
I can get on.
I'll see you at lunchtime.
You mean you don't want me to do the 10 o'clock cup of tea?
Oh, actually, yeah. I'll see you at 10 o'clock then.
I'll see you at 10 o'clock.
Yeah. Right, let's chat more work. Come on, chip. Cheeky. Anyway, so for the rest of the day, I have these kind of annoying little gaps to fill between where Ross and I made the dormers out of metal and the original steels that kind of bridge across. Because we have had like the building kind of settle over the years, the steels aren't level and we have a gap, which Ross and I have dealt with. But now we need to cover all that up, insulate it and prepare for hopefully some roller shutters that are going to go there and figure out that. It's essentially the last detail that isn't 100% clear to me. Sometimes you have to start and build something and then kind of go, right, okay, this is the way it's going to look and stuff like that. But yeah, that's what I'm talking about, these bits here. So we just basically need to put some OSB on the front faces of there, a little bit of insulation where we can fit it, then more insulation on top of that OSB, and then we will have the metal covering, which is what we're going to have around the corners and everywhere else. Helen's coming this morning as well, so there are 4 of us here. We should get a lot done.
Oh, all right.
Do you need a hand?
No, I'm all right. Yeah, I've got the cement, I've got the stone, so yeah. Keep shut out my eyes.
Yeah. How's the wind up there?
It's all right. I thought it was going to be, heavier than this, stronger, but it's not. I had to take my coat off because I was getting a bit.
The thing around our house is so windy up
It
there.
is.
You feel like it's going to be.
I remember last time in the summer, I went in that pool, but it was cold on there. You couldn't really sit in. I suppose it does get really hot, but
No, it definitely does, but that breeze is good when it's boiling. Like
yeah,
it's,
yeah.
Like we always say, we always see Nat and Dan sitting out, and we go, oh, we can sit out, and then you
Yeah.
get your head blown.
Yeah,